This is the E-Tech City Kitchen Scale.
I purchased this one in stainless steel almost 2 years ago and really like it. If you choose to purchase one for yourself through the affiliate link in my video description, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. The reason I got a scale is so that I could more accurately select microwave cooking times. Now let's get into the simple and convenient functions of this scale. First, it will auto-tare items placed before power up to count them as 0.
If you forget to put a plate or bowl on there, you can still just press the power button once to tare afterwards. So if you put something different on, just push the tare button, set it back to 0, and then you could change the units of weight or volume to detect milliliters of water or milk or fluid ounces of water or milk. I'm going to pour in some milk here. See how many fluid ounces I have. 5.06 ounces of milk. Now if I trick it and say that I have water, let's see how many fluid ounces it thinks I have of water. A little bit more. So apparently
for the same weight, you get a little bit more water than milk.
Let me put another bowl on. Re-tare the weight of the bowl. Toss a few nuts in there. And switch the unit over to pure weight. And get grams, 29 grams of nuts. Or cycle through to ounces. About 1 ounce, 99 grams, or whatever it was. 29 grams is about an ounce of nuts, and so on. Back to the milk example. This makes it easy to convert between units. If you want to know how many milliliters there are in fluid ounces, let's see, if we go to milk, it's 4.7 fluid ounces, or 139 milliliters of milk. And back to the nuts. If your package says that 1 serving is 1 ounce, you just add nuts until you get to the correct amount for a serving. 1 more is too much. Take a small piece out. Closer to exact, another small piece out. And even closer. You can see how precise this is. Let's see how sensitive it is to the smallest amount of weight. Let's put 1 pistachio in. Nothing. But ounces might be too big, so we could use grams. Let's see. Let's add until we get enough to make something on the ounces register. Okay, and then switch to grams. And then, which is bigger, grams or ounces? Well, that's 5 grams for more than 5 nuts. So maybe ounces are more precise. Oh yeah, well, it's a smaller number because it's 0.18, but there's more digits involved, so you can get more precision with ounces. Another thing you can do, really cool, with multiple items is measure off your serving size of cheese and then tare that and add to the same container the serving size of the next item. So you don't have to use multiple dishes to get your snack. It also has a battery saving feature where it dims the screen, but a simple press wakes it back up. Now, battery door cover comes off super easy. 2 AAAs. It's very thin. I just pop it in the drawer with other things like towels or hot pads. It's easy to get.